Hey, welcome back to Money Mastery. Today we'll talk about getting into cryptocurrencies in 2024. If this sounds like you, get ready to dive in. First, let's talk about why cryptocurrencies are gaining popularity. With the rise of blockchain technology, more and more people are realizing the potential of decentralized digital currencies. They see them as a solution to traditional financial systems, including issues like centralization, fraud, and high fees. Let's discuss the two main types of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and altcoins. Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, developed in 2009. While it has its merits, altcoins are a group of different cryptocurrencies that aim to improve upon its limitations. Some popular altcoins include Ethereum, Ripple, and Cardano. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, which means that it's not controlled by any government, bank, or financial institution. It's based on a peer-to-peer network, where users can send and receive money instantly without the need for intermediaries like banks or credit card companies. One of the most significant advantages of Bitcoin is its security. Transactions are verified and recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, which makes it virtually impossible for anyone to tamper with or steal your funds. This gives users peace of mind knowing that their Bitcoin is secure. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Bitcoin has been criticized for its potential for criminal activities, as anyone can create a fake Bitcoin address and steal funds. To combat this, various security measures have been introduced, such as two-factor authentication and customer verification processes. Another interesting aspect of Bitcoin is its decentralization. This means that it's not controlled by any central authority, which can lead to some interesting political and economic implications. For instance, imagine a situation where a country decides to regulate Bitcoin. How would that affect the global economy? To get started, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency platform. There are many to choose from, so do your research and find one that suits your needs and preferences. Remember to always invest responsibly and never lose sight of your financial goals. Lastly, it's essential to educate yourself about cryptocurrencies, their markets, and the potential risks involved. Keep up with developments in the industry and learn about trading strategies, investment guidelines, and risk management. This will help you make informed decisions and minimize risks when investing in cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, cryptocurrencies are an exciting and rapidly changing financial landscape. By following these tips and staying informed, you can make smart decisions and get started in this dynamic world. Happy investing! Please like and subscribe. Be sure to watch our other videos